Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a project on the Aiden frame using May's Club Couture. I absolutely adore this transfer. I think it's very nostalgic. It would make an awesome sign or something on a t-shirt or on a tote bag or something to keep your automotive cleaning supplies in. I think that would be pretty cool. Now, this is transfers only exclusively for Club Couture subscribers and for designers. I will have editable shopping cart links posted down below if you'd like to get any of the project or any of the products from Chalk Couture. And I will also have a link so that way you can read and sign up to join Chalk Couture Club Couture. So not only do you get this exclusive transfer, okay, you will get it shipped to your house for free. It's $21.99 US. I'm not sure what the Canadian is. You also get 3 coordinating color paste packets. This is what a paste packet looks like, and you'll get it in the 3 colors of one in Storm Gray, one in Cadet Blue, and also one in the Ocean Mist Blue, which this is the color I will be using today on this Aiden frame. Plus, if you're a new subscriber, Chalk Couture will also send you a mini squeegee, which I think is wonderful. They used to not do that. I'm thankful that they are, because this helps you with your creative journey. This is one of the tools that you will need. It will help you immensely. So, any of the other products, like I said, I will have an editable shopping cart link. Now, I have already pre-fuzzed this to save some time, and this is a fuzzing cloth. Now, if you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you can use a towel, you can use a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, something. And I end up having to fuzz this, I would say probably about 10, 12 times. And this is the backer sheet. I've already marked the back of it, and your transfer also come with a plastic sleeve. You can use this for storage, and it also has care instructions on there. Plus, it will also have an instruction sheet on there for a project that you can do using the paste colors. So, seeing that I have already fuzzed this, I'm just going to pull this off. This is the backer sheet. Mark the back of it so that way you know what side to put it on after you clean it with your water. And I'm just going to show you how it is you fuzz it. You just put it on a cloth, peel it up. And I'm going to set this aside. Now, this is their Aiden frame. This is the 9x12. You can use whatever surface that you would like to use. This is just something that they offer, and I like this because this is reusable and it is magnetic. So whenever you get your next month's club, you can just go ahead and use this transfer. Now, if you'd like something with a lighter background, because the Cadet Blue I don't think will show up very well on this, you could use, a piece of wood or something like that and paint it. You can use this on any surface that you would like. Okay. You can measure you would like to if you want to be precise. I'm just placing this on here. And you just smooth this over with your hands because you want to make sure if there's any little lumps or bumps or fuzzies, like I've got a little fuzzy here. Even though I'm not going to be using that part, you want to take that off. If any little things underneath by your silk screen, you just want to kind of smooth this over. And if you want, you can take your mini squeegee and go over it. Just try to make sure that you've got all the little air bubbles out. And make sure that you have good contact with your surface. Now, I'm not going to be doing the frame part that goes around the edge here. I'm just going to do the bottom here. And I'm going to do this all in Ocean Mist. I have another idea. I may do a video on it. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. All right, I think that's down pretty good. But you can use elements of this also. But I'm going to use the Ocean Mist. This is a nice kind of seaside grayish blue color. I think it's pretty. And I think that would go nice with the white frame. And I also think Storm Gray would look really nice too. But I decided I'm going to go with this color. And all you do is you just dip your paste, your mini squeegee in there. It's got a bevel edge. And you just generously apply it. Like I said, I didn't want to use the border because I've already got the frame. You could use whatever colors. You can add other colors of paste packets to your cart if you would like to. That is an editable shopping cart link. I just wanted to show you something that you could do with the colors that you receive in in with your club. You could do different colors with this. You could use both the gray and the ocean mist blue if you wanted to. But I thought one color, it's pretty much a quick one and done project. Like that Route 66, you could use that on a, on a different project or something separate. Now this does have like little spots on it to give it like the aging where the silk screen is. All right, just need to be a little careful there. Try to cut that in because I want this bottom part. If you just want to use the gas pump, you could use that too. Now what I'm going to do is just go over and scrape off the excess. And why you do that is that way you have good even coverage. If you want to make magnets with some of the elements, you could do that too. Like I said, this is a magnetic board. You want to put some on your fridge. I think while I'm doing this, I was just thinking it would be pretty cool to have their 9x12 palette and have this by an entranceway into your, if you have an attached garage, and put hooks on the bottom of it, put your keys. I think that would be pretty cool. I have to think about that. All right, it is time for the peel and reveal. And you slowly lift up so that way if you missed a spot, you can just lay it down and touch it up. Okay. And then you just peel it up. Oh, I like this. I like that a lot. Okay. I'm going to spritz this down with the water. I've got sticky side down on a towel right now until I can get it to the sink. But as soon as you're done with your project using your transfer, you should take it to the sink and clean it with like a magic eraser, a board eraser, and just water. I've got videos on April's Club on how I clean the transfer, and I have another video. I will post links down to those also below if you'd like to see that. And then you can just let this air dry if you want to. See how it has some of like the distressing spots? I think that is so cool. I think this would look really nice on a piece of wood, like an 8x10 or a 9x12, just a piece of wood, and you distress it. I think that would be pretty cool. And there we go. They've got some specials going on. I also wanted to let you know if you are a Club Couture subscriber and you spend $75 or more, now if you're new, check out and then log back on and then make your purchase. But if you're already an existing Club Couture subscriber with your $75 or more, you can get a free, what they call a color case. And that's where you can put your jars of paste in there for storage. I think that's pretty awesome. That's a $28 value. And they also have their paste on sale. Their jars of paste, 3-ounce paste and ink. You can mix any kind of combination. Buy 3, get 1 free. That is awesome. I was going through some of my paste and it's like, ooh, okay, I need to place an order. So I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope you liked this transfer and that I gave you some ideas of what it is you can use this transfer for. As for a sign, you can put it on a t-shirt, a tote bag. Somebody that likes to collect anything that's automotive, for maybe a grandchild or a young boy that collects the little Hot Wheel cars or likes to do those automotive type mobile kits. It's been a long time since my son did stuff like that, so because he's an adult now, but I think this would be wonderful for that, and I hope that gives you some ideas of what you can use this transfer for. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you again, you have a wonderful day.